What's up, Tudo gang? Dre, Tudo Dre checking back in, you feel me? Back out here at the car graveyard once again. Dude. It look like they got another box Chevy over there. I'm finna go check. Somebody on this one I've been taking all the parts off of. Shoot. It was something I needed. I came out here, I need some things. Yeah, I forgot me something. Damn, I did came and got them already. I snatched them all off on me. Sure, it ain't a box Chevy, but it's a Pontiac. So yeah, I can take these off. I need the little clamps from up under here to snatch them off. Oh yeah, same thing. What year this is? Oh, 98 Cutlass, no 79. Oh yeah, I can take that off. It'll work. Shoot. Oh yeah, that will work. Oh yeah, I got them all. So yeah, I got something. So yeah, see, I done did everything. I sprayed everything out, get some more paint, do a couple more coats. See, when you got the interior, the interior already good, you don't even need to go ahead and do none of that. My brother car, his little project car, what he building. See, got a dashboard all did up, all the parts, everything good. So yeah, you ain't always got to spend a lot of money to make your junk look good. Just know that. Checking back in. So what I'm doing today, I'm trying to get this little sheet metal right here, cutting it to fill up where my AC used to be at, because I took everything loose from where the AC used to be at. That I got the AC that go on the floor, so I'm going to cover this hole up with this little sheet metal. So I'm cutting it now to make room for it, because it was too big. The piece of sheet metal I got too big, so I got to cut it using a legit saw, cutting it real quick and get it done. So this is what it's gonna look like, covered up the whole bone. I just got to cut little circles in it so I can run my heater hoses out. Cause my AC system got the heater hose, so I got to run one right here and right here. Yeah, so I'll be good. So I'm finna throw some screws in here now and make sure it just sit up there, and I cut my hose out whenever I'm ready to put the hoses on. Oh yeah, it's going down. So I got my headlights, all my lights working. Got to figure out with these turn signals. I don't know what's going on with these turn signals, but I got my lights working. Just got to hook them all the way up, but I got them working. Boom. Headlights, park lights, see all of it on. I got headlight, park lights on. Go back to it. Get this wiring done so I can go ahead and put all this junk up. Kind of working in the back too. It's on the wall, but as you can see, I got them working.